Question 24. It says, look at the map below. The side length of each grid square is 10 kilometers. How much farther is it to travel from Jonestown to Skene by car than it is by helicopter? So, if each of one of these is 10 kilometers, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is 50 kilometers. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 times 10 would be 120 kilometers. So we don't know the hypotenuse because it's across from the right angle, and this is what the helicopter would take. The car would go on the road, so the car would go 50 plus 120, which is equal to 170 kilometers. We need to find the hypotenuse, so we use type 1, which is c squared equals a squared plus b squared. We do not have the c squared, so we have h squared, 50 squared plus 120 squared. 50 squared is 50 times 50, which would be 2,500. 120 squared would be 120 times 120, which is 144. And that would be 2 zeros on top of that, so it'd be 14,400. And you would add those two together, and we'd get 16,900. We get rid of the square by square rooting the h, but whatever we do on the left-hand side, we have to do on the right. So square root of 16,900 would be 130 kilometers. So the question asks, how much further is it to travel from the Jonestown to Skene by car than helicopter? So by helicopter is 130, car is 170, so we take 170, take away 130, and it would be 40 kilometers further. So since it's a word problem, we would say answer the question, how much further is it to travel by car? It is 40 kilometers further to travel by car, period.